Hey guys, Brandon Adler with the Adler Mortgage Team. Thanks for checking us out. So this quick video is to explain what is FHA loan. So maybe you went to get pre-approved and your lender or your realtor kept talking about FHA this, FHA that, and you're like, what the heck is this? FHA is one of the most awesome loan types out there because it's backed by the federal government. It's backed by the Federal Housing Administration, but the approval process for you as a buyer is a lot of times way easier than a conventional type of loan. So FHA has a lot of credit leniency. In some scenarios, FHA will grant you more buying power than a conventional loan, for example. So the FHA requires that you have a 3.5% down payment. So whatever your sales price is, 3.5% of that number, so $200,000, you have to have at least a $7,000 down payment. Now, you still have closing costs, you still have tax and insurance expenses on top of that. And check out the video about seller concessions, and we walk through that a little bit more. But the FHA actually says, as of today is March 19th, 2021, FHA has a minimum credit score requirement of 500. Now, if your score is between 500 and 580, you have to have at least a 10% down payment. So again, FHA does have a lot of credit leniency there, but you got to have some money to play with that. Now, not everybody with a score in that range is going to be able to get approved. Of course, we know that, but sometimes it can work. Now, when you reach the 580 mark and on up, so it doesn't matter if your credit score is 580 or 800, the loan with the mortgage insurance, which is part of your monthly payment, is priced the same, which is way different than the conventional world as well. So now you've got greater than a 580 score. You can potentially qualify for FHA's program, putting as little as 3.5% down, leverage the seller to get a contribution to help cover closing costs, tax, insurance expenses. And if you've had some past credit blemishes, FHA a lot of times is going to look around that. Where a conventional loan requires 7 years from a foreclosure, FHA only requires 3. Where a conventional loan requires 4 years from bankruptcy, FHA only requires 2. So there's a lot of reasons why we'll lean towards FHA for you as a buyer and tell you that it's the best fit for you. It's the best program. And a lot of times the interest rate, depending on your credit score, the interest rate can be more attractive as well. So hope this helps. Any more questions you have, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.